We've talked about the life and death of stars, but what about their giant homes, the galaxies? These incredible cosmic cities, holding billions of stars, don't usually die with a bang. Their end is a terrifying combination of cannibalism and starvation. First, let's talk about the slow-motion violence, galactic cannibalism. Galaxies are not static. They are constantly moving and constantly pulled by gravity toward their neighbors. When a large galaxy and a smaller galaxy get too close, the smaller one doesn't stand a chance. The massive gravitational pull of the larger galaxy starts to rip the smaller one apart. It's like a cosmic bully stealing lunch money. The stars, gas, and dark matter from the smaller galaxy get stretched out into long, visible streams, called tidal tails, and are eventually consumed and incorporated into the larger galaxy. Our very own Milky Way is doing this right now. We are currently eating several small, nearby dwarf galaxies. It's a slow, brutal process, but it's how the biggest galaxies get so huge. But the second, and arguably more definitive, way a galaxy dies is through starvation, running out of the fuel it needs to make new stars. Remember that colorful gas and dust we talked about in the protoplanetary disk? Galaxies need giant clouds of that cold gas, hydrogen and helium, to collapse and form nurseries for newborn stars. A galaxy that is actively forming stars is called a blue galaxy, because of all the hot, young, blue stars. But over billions of years, a galaxy can either use up all its gas or have the gas stripped away. This happens often when a galaxy moves through the dense, hot gas of a massive galaxy cluster. The galaxy speeds along, and the hot cluster gas acts like a giant, invisible wind, pushing the cold star-forming gas right out. Scientists call this ram pressure stripping. Once a galaxy loses its cold gas supply, star formation shuts down entirely. All its existing stars eventually die off, like the red giant and supernova fates we discussed, and no new stars are born to replace them. The galaxy turns into a red and dead galaxy, full of old, cool, red stars, slowly fading into oblivion. So, the death of a galaxy is a story of consumption and famine. Either it gets eaten by a bigger neighbor, or it runs out of the cold gas it needs to sustain new life and slowly fades out. Pretty wild, right? Let me know in the comments if you want to know about our final, most epic destruction topic, the fate of the entire universe.